Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy. If this is your first time here, if you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it if you did so. I am on the way to 2K, so I would love to have you join the fam. Also, if you have already liked and subscribed, thank you, and leave me a green heart to let me know that you are here. Today I'm here with an unboxing video again, but you guys, I ordered this bag so long ago and I have it here. I actually ordered this bag like 3 months ago, and it was with the Secure the Bag program that Telfar does. And if you are not familiar with Telfar, Telfar is a Black-owned luxury brand. It was founded in 2005 by Telfar Clemens. He created, I believe it's called the shopping bag, and this bag was dubbed the Bushwick Birkin. It is, I think I already said, but it's a vegan leather bag. It comes in 3 sizes, and I actually ordered the smallest size. And these bags, you guys, literally sell out in seconds. To combat like bots and all of that stuff, he will occasionally do a Secure the Bag program where you can go on and order whatever bag you want. The one thing with that though is that you have to wait for your bag to come up, for him to list that bag for sale, and at that time your bag is already secured, so you don't have to do anything but sit back and wait. So the bag I ordered finally came up, or never came up, you guys, and it's here. Oh, so it comes like this, and it's a cute little thumbnail. This is me getting my thumbnail, you guys. It's a work. We work. Okay, so in here we have, this bag was actually outside for a couple of days because amazingly it came the one weekend I was out of town. So it comes in this plastic bag, and inside the plastic bag you have your cute little dust bag. And so it has the logo right here for Telfar Clemens. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. This bag actually matches my, y'all know I love green. Green's my favorite color. If you haven't already left a comment, leave a green heart down in the comments. But I got this color, and this is called dark olive. You just take all the straps off, and this is it. She's a little thing. So inside the bag you have, we're looking at this together, you have the tag, you have some keep it fresh items, the Telfar tag, and it says Telfar, established in 2005, NYC. I love this little color. I wish I had this bag this weekend. It would have been so cute. But this is it. It comes with the longer strap, and it also comes with this cute little, you know, this cute little strap here. And I don't have a small green bag. If you know, I did a what's in my bag on my green Michael Kors bag, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above. But you know, I mentioned that I really wanted another green bag, and I had actually ordered this one, and I want to give you measurements, but yeah, I have a measuring tape. So let's measure the bag. So the bottom, this bag is 6.5 inches. And how tall are we? 4.5 inches this way. And then how wide is she? Let's check. I'm getting 3 inches. I think one issue with the mini bags is sometimes your phone does not fit. So I have the iPhone 12, the regular one, and see if she fits sideways. So that is my phone. Like, this is such an essential bag. I love this little bag. I wish I had gotten the tote for work, and yeah, it's beautiful. Like, it looks like it is made really well. The stitching is like a lighter green. You can see if it'll focus. It's focused on. So yeah, the stitching here is like a lighter green, and it's so cute. I love how it feels. I was a little I'm nervous because it is a vegan leather, but I would like to buy less leather products. Like even my luxury bags are mainly like canvas and stuff, so I love it. I do wish these straps came off. How long are they? Whew. Because I am not much of a crossbody person, but it hits me at a pretty good angle. So I like the length of the straps for sure. On my side, it's not horrible. Let's show you. So this is it just as a shoulder bag. And then I'm all over the place. But yeah, and then you can also just, you know, carry it dainty if you're like wearing a dress or something and you just want to carry it by the top strap. But I do kind of wish these disconnected so that it could just be this, because right now you just have these big giant straps hanging. You can fold them in and stick them in the bag, I guess. So then you have this, but it does take up some of your real estate inside the bag. But if you're just carrying, like, I would probably carry my phone in here. I grabbed my essentials, you guys. So I have my phone in here, I have my Listerine strips, I have a lip gloss, I have my Louis Vuitton card case, I have a hand sanitizer, and then y'all know me, I have my wet ones because I'm not leaving the house without wet ones, okay? And so all of that is in there. So if you just need to run out, especially like if you wanted to put the straps in and you were just going to like dinner or brunch or something, all of my essentials fit in here. And it does have this clasp. I don't know if I'm gonna get the clasp closed, but if you put your items and your straps in here a little better, you'd be good to go. So everything I need fits in here with the straps inside. So without the straps inside, of course I would have a little room. Let me see if I can get it to close without the straps inside. So this is my empty bag with no straps. So I'm gonna get my phone first and stick it in here. It looks like Christmas with my red phone, my green bag, my card case. I love card cases now, y'all. I'm sold. My lip gloss, my hand sanitizer, my Listerine strips, and my wet ones. So I actually have quite a bit of room at this point, and it closes, it straps up nice and secure. You know, nothing is coming out of this, okay? So yes, I like this little bag. Oh, she's cute. That is it. That is my Telfar small shopper. Again, they come in 3 sizes. I will link the website down below. You kind of have to get the bags when they come out, so you mainly can sign up for the waiting list, and it'll send you emails like when the item is about to become available. They'll usually let you know like 2 days in advance, I think, or when it's about to be the secure the bag program. And that actually went on like for about a week straight, I think, because I thought about it. So yeah, I love this bag. I do, again, wish I had gotten the tote bag. So I'm probably going to go back and get the medium size one for work or travel, because this is so secure, you guys. So I was worried about it just having this little thing, but like this is super secure. I love this little thing. This is so cute, and it legit, it's like the exact same color as my pants. So I'm probably going to just throw this on today. I'm going to work, so I have my tote bag for work, but this is just a cute little thing I can put my essentials in to have those closer to me. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll put a playlist down below of my other unboxing videos. And if you have a Telfar bag, let me know which bag, which size, and which color you have. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.